Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I will walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner of Expedia. So in my previous videos, I have created how to apply for Expedia's portal, specifically for travel agencies, where you can log in and you can book for hotels, flight. Here in this video, we're going to get a link and then embed or integrate it on your website. So basically it is affiliate marketing. All right, so I'm currently at expedia.com website right now, and this is the Expedia Philippines. And if you're going to scroll down at the bottom, you can see here become an affiliate. Okay, it doesn't route you anywhere else. Expedia is actually participating or partnered with CJ Affiliate. Okay, CJ Affiliate, as I've mentioned in my several videos like TripAdvisor, Skyscanner, they're all partnered with CJ Affiliate. It's a huge affiliate network, okay, that process and help out those companies to facilitate their affiliation or affiliate links marketing. So Expedia also partnered with CJ Affiliate. So if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and sign up from here. Okay, sign up as publisher. Okay, just need to click on sign up as publisher and then follow the process. Alright, just wait for the page to pull up. Alright, so this is how it looks like. If you already have an account, if previously in the past you've already created your CJ publisher account, then you can just go ahead and log into your account. So in this video, since I've already created my account and currently I'm on so this is how it looks like on the CJ affiliate marketing account. So all you need to do, okay, currently, all right, I do have here the Expedia banners and links, right? So currently I'm on the website CJ affiliate marketing page, and all you need to do, I just click on links and then search, and then on this search box you just need to type in Expedia and it would give you a lot of options. So they have a lot of choices here: Argentina, Brazil, and a lot more. You can click on incorporated and then hit search button. Just ignore this error, and here we go. So these are the links. All right, so if you click on this link, for example, just click on the link, this is gonna be the link. Okay, once your website visitor would click on that link, then it would be routed to Expedia's main page, and then once your visitor will book using that link, then you'll be getting a portion on that. Okay, so that's how affiliate links work. So all you need to do, once you've already created your CJ affiliate account, then you just need to search for Expedia right here, search, and then join the program. All right, and then the Expedia affiliate links will be the one to approve it. Alright, so you just need to join the program. You will get a notification if your request had been approved, and just need to check your mailbox, this envelope icon right here. Okay, so this is basically it. That's just how you can get a link of Expedia and then integrate it on your website. So that's how Expedia's affiliate marketing works. Alrighty, I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a good one. Take care. Bye.